Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my coleslaw. It's actually an easy and quick recipe and you don't need a lot of ingredients. As you can see, I'm using a half head of a cabbage and maybe 5 to 7 carrots because I'm doing it for like 9 to 10 people. So let's begin. For this recipe we are going to need mayonnaise, brown sugar, but you can also use white sugar, white pepper, parsley, vinegar, sunflower oil, and a small amount of onion. Firstly, let's peel our carrots. Next, I'm going to cut my cabbage into small pieces. I cannot shred it since it won't be enough and I'm cooking for a lot of people, so I will end up finishing late in the evening while this is for lunch. After that, we are going to grate our carrots. The carrots need to be grated since you cannot cut them with a knife. I mean, who does that? They are hard, so we are going to grate them. So now I am just going to grate my onion and I'm only going to use half of it since it's not good to use a lot. After grating the onion, now we are going to put everything in one big bowl so that we can mix them. So here I'm just adding sugar, maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons of sugar. You don't want to use a lot. I hope I'm not the only one who doesn't use any exact measurement when I'm cooking. Now I'm just going to add parsley. You know, I like my coleslaw looking very good. So now it's time for you to add the mayonnaise. You know, mayonnaise is the only thing that adds more flavor to your coleslaw. So let's do it. So one thing about me, I will mix everything in one bowl, especially when I'm cooking or when I'm preparing a lot of food. I like mixing up everything in one bowl as long as it will give me the same results. So now I'm just going to add vinegar, and I don't want to add a lot of vinegar. For coleslaw, don't add too much vinegar. Even maybe just 2 teaspoons of vinegar is fine. coleslaw is done and ready to eat, and it's looking so yummy, guys, and I'm serving it with white rice. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more. Thank you so much.